Atongoi Kivathukanio na Meivikite Sivitali wa Karen Hospital kumwona mbunge wa Juja George Koimburi Nĩmaũũya Muno Kila Makita Kunyamaw'A kwa Akenya Kumana na Wongeleku wa Kuvuthiiw'a kwa Miao Nĩmaũũya muti sirikali nene kwa kuvinyia Atongoi alamatu kwa tambao sirikali la hivyo Mayumania vanene kiko kiuta kutekwa Nyala na kuumiwa kwa Muyumbe usu speaker wetangula ayendekedo kunikiliutwa iwe Kumana umo wa kiko ki Douglas Kanja na Kuvuthiiw'a Kana Koimburi muteke Nyala Ken Mulinge na Mauvo
Ndini woneni wa vamwetu na wakumona Kuimburi Sivitali wa Karen musini wa Nairobi Atongoi Ulea Atongoni Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka Eugene wa Malwa Justin Muturi katoa Atongoi yangi mangaleke Ulea Nĩmaũũya Muno kwa Kila watata Wongeleku kwa makwate ya Miao na Kunyamaaw'A kwa Enenthi ndulito na kuothothia ithoko vanthi ya Kenya.
Despite our persistent calls to end arbitrary arrests, abductions, gross violation of human rights and extrajudicial killings, the Ruto administration seems to be on a race to the bottom, that is to anarchy.
Atongoi na matula muti serikali kwa kuvinia Atongoi ala mateu kwa tambao serikali vala maumania vanene kiko kicha kutakwa Nyala na kuumiwa kwa Koimburi vamwana kuvalanywa kwa ombano wa kuthoka musi wa Cleophas Malala kuya kauntini ya Kakamega.
Muona sauti imeanza kurudi pole pole, and his wife is beside him, and we thank Karen Hospital for taking excellent care of him. You know, when you hear stories like Mheshimiwa abducted himself, you really want to pray for those people because they are evil.
The horrifying incident is not isolated. It's part of a chilling trend where elected leaders and citizens, particularly Gen Zs, aligned with the opposition, are being systematically targeted to silence any dissent against this regime. In Kakamega, what was meant to be a peaceful homecoming for our colleague, Honorable Cleophas Malala and the supporters of the DCP party was quickly turned into a war zone. We also condemn the death and murder of Father Alois Cheriot Bet, who had also been paid a visit by DCI officers, only to be murdered shortly thereafter.
Kavina niko speaker wa mbunge nene Moses Wetangula ni wenda kunikiliwe kwa Ulea Kwona kumbuka ingi kwa Koimburi na kunengana livoti mbunge netula muti kusio kwa maofisa Moses ikana Atongoi angi Kwona Koimburi Sivitali ni uwa Karen.
I have been advised by the hospital where he is admitted that the family had given strict instructions not to allow visitors, although in the media we saw some visitors around the member. But we've been told that they are not allowing visitors, including people from officers from DCI who wanted to visit to find out what may have happened. I'm told they were turned away. Be that as it may, I have directed the chairman of the security committee and the member for Turkana, is it North, Honorable Epuyo Nanok, Turkana West, who is the chair of a committee that the Honorable Koimburi also serves, to, in the course of this afternoon, visit the Honorable member in hospital. I hope you'll be allowed to see him, so that tomorrow I give Honorable Atongoi an opportunity to update the house.
Ona uwe wa inspector munene wa Volisi Douglas Kanja na wande ya Kuvuthiiw'a Kana Koimburi naye muteke Nyala ayumbola kana ukunikiliwa na nyavala Koimburi unaweta wa kwethwa onekiwa kwa mbilile kioko vaina kikota kiu kinekusiwa.
Upon comparing vegetations and road dimensions at the scene with those in the video, it was established that the two did not match. During questioning, one Moses Kariuki, the caretaker of the coffee farm, which is owned by one Jimmy Wajigi, stated that he had not witnessed such an incident. This progress underscores the National Police Service commitment to uncovering the truth regarding the abduction allegations.
Atongoi mauleni mumnyokanya kula kwa President William Ruto mayuta kana vaikendo kisiye kwiki hukuni kilikuwa ke Ulea Kuvuthiiw'a na akisia mwene Nthi na kwose wa matambia maki Miao.
IG Kaja, please you can tell that story to the bands, not to Kenyans. It doesn't make sense. Abductions and all forms of extrajudicial processes must come to an end in this country.
I would like to remind Mr. Ruto that he is not immune from prosecution for crimes against humanity, which includes abductions, torture, enforced disappearances, murders, gender-based violence, and other crimes.
Kenyans are very clear. Nothing will stop them from sending these people home. Are they not even on record saying, afadhali wajitetee because they know they'll go to prison?
Delivery ya Atongoi TV, nyenito wa Mulei, Mulingam.